All right, hello and welcome to Monday for you at home. When you get done with the warm-up, which is name a place you visited and describe what it was like, go on to the location and place notes before you go to the activity. To quickly go over the notes, what we are focusing on this week is the 5 themes of geography. So that would be location, place, human environment interaction, movement, and region. Today we are just focusing on location and place. For location, it is where something is. So quite simply, Northview is on 69th Avenue in Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, USA. The Statue of Liberty is in New York City, New York, United States of America. And the capital of Minnesota is St. Paul. So location is truly just specifically where it is. Whereas place is descriptions of a location's physical and human characteristics. So just a quick review for the physical and human. Physical, the nature, what's actually there in the environment. Human is kind of like what culture have we brought, what impact have we had in the area. So an example of Minnesota as a place, our physical would be that Minnesota is a Midwestern state that is very cold and snowy in the winter and very hot and humid in the summer. It is where the Mississippi River starts and is known for its lakes, forests, and prairie landscapes. Now our human characteristics would be that Minnesota has both highly populated urban areas and many rural farm communities. So we have the big city and the kind of spread out farm country areas as well. It has a very diverse population. Cultural landmarks Minnesota is known for include the Mall of America, the Minnesota State Fair, and the Boundary Waters up north. So what's the difference between location and place? Location focuses on where, place focuses on what it is actually like there. When you're done and feeling comfortable with that, you go on to the location and place activity. And what you are doing is you're taking a careful look at the picture, and then you are reading the paragraph carefully. You might not need to understand every single thing in the paragraph, but you're kind of looking to understand and looking for the city, country, and then it will not tell you the continent. So once you find these two, you're going to have to Google that really quick to figure out which continent is on. And then slightly harder over here is the place section. So remember that place is describing what an area is like. So when you're looking through these photos and reading through here, what are the things about their culture are you learning? What are the things about this place are you learning? Some example for physical is that this has volcanoes surrounding it. So that would be a physical characteristic. And then take a look at the buildings, what people are wearing, what's around them. What are the characteristics of this place? And that all goes in here. I would expect this box to be relatively full. Try to think of at least 5-6 things for each deal. And then you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 to go through.